Hey there, I'm Griffin with Seatronx. Seatronx was established with a primary goal in mind, to provide unparalleled, high-quality, ruggedized electronics, designed to support the maritime, military, and industrial markets. Seatronx is a proud American-based company. Our products are distributed out of Las Vegas, Nevada. When it comes to safety and quality, we're proud to be an ISO 9001, AS9120D, and 9120B Certified manufacturer. Seatronx is always your trusted partner for delivering world-class solutions to your unique requirements. We specialize in producing commercial off-the-shelf and custom displays, panel PCs, computers, camera systems, and other ruggedized electronics. Seatronx works directly with all branches of the military, world-class ship and yacht builders, and defense contractors, including subcontractors and primes. We offer worldwide service through trained and authorized distributors. Whether you're out at sea, on the field, or working in demanding industrial environments, Seatronx is here to provide you with the cutting-edge electronics that you need to succeed. Contact us today to explore how we can turn your vision into reality. Our vision is your vision.